Here at Computex 2023, I'm at the Be Quiet suite, and they have a number of PC cases that people are going to be very interested in, especially this one. It's kind of taken apart right now because it's so modular. Everything over here is just like drag and drop. It makes it so much easier, so you're not dealing with all kinds of little cables and screws and everything. It's literally, you put things together piece by piece without screws, and then they just plop right into the case. This is the Dark Base Pro 901. You're going to want to pay attention to this. So notice with this case, it's all wide open because there's certain things like the top right here pops right off because of things like this. These are the top pins right here. So this just easily goes in and then it can slide off because of the pins right here. So these pins are the fan hub. So you just plug all the fans that you want to use into the fan hub and slide this right into the front. The top fan mounts also have their own fan hub. So you just plug that in right there. So it just slides right in. And then just use your thumb screws to screw it down. You have some options here with the fans. So if you don't want fans up top, you could do it like this, where this is actually sound dampening panels. And you'll have some foam on the inside, and that greatly reduces the sound. This entire tray actually moves out back and forth. So you can basically install your whole system right on this removable tray, GPU as well, slide it on in, and depending on the size of the motherboard, this will actually adjust as well, which is really nice. And then for your GPU sag, you can place this wherever you want as it's magnetic down here. The front actually opens up for optical drives or hot swappable drives, whatever you like. The top of the case has a 15-watt charger for your cell phone. It also comes with their own riser cable. This is the PCIe Gen 4.0, and it's the same height for all of their cases, so this is pretty universal. The hard disk drive cage is fully toolless as well, so it just snaps in and you slide it in right there. And if you need additional spots for hard drive cages, you can actually take these out and add more hard drives. Cable management is nice and easy for routing right here. On the front panel, you can adjust the fan speeds, obviously, but also for the RGB, the type of RGB settings you want, as well as the colors, so it makes it nice and easy. You can even do it as an inverted type of system, so the AIO, as you see, is on the bottom, the GPU is up top. It depends on really how you want your system to look. These also come with their very famous Silent Wings 4 fans. So you get 3 altogether, so you'll have 1 in the rear, 2 in the front. This one is showing 4, obviously, for aesthetic reasons and a finished build. So it's really however you want to do the combination. So this is the Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 901. A lot of excellent quality of life features for experienced builders as well as first-time PC builders as well. Let me know what you think in the comments below.